Think about a stressful moment in your life. Do you find yourself not working efficiently? I personally experience stress when I am closer to a final, when I have another responsibilities to do. I just can't think clearly and can't focus. After this speech, you will be able to understand how stress reacts in your body as well as some tips that will help you alleviate stress. In an article titled Stress Management, Dr. Pruthi claims that stress is a normal psychological reaction and can be good. However, due to non-stop complications of modern life, a person's ability to recover may take longer. In this speech, I will explain to you the importance of getting a good night's sleep, eating healthy, and exercising regularly will improve the way that you feel. I will begin by sharing with you what stress is and how it reacts in your body. Stress is the body's reaction to any change, to a challenge. So it is good to have a little bit of stress because it tunes up your brain, it improves your work, and it's good to have a little stress once in a while. Constant stress is not good because there has been a study conducted by researchers from Franklin University. Dr. Carly Sender discovered that a single socially stressful event could kill new neurons in the brain's hippocampus. And the brain's hippocampus is responsible for memory and learning. So if you find yourself stressing constantly, it's good to go to a doctor and check yourself, because if not, you will begin to forget things and you won't be able to learn something new. When we stress, our cortisol is produced by our adrenal gland, and our adrenal gland pumps up adrenaline that makes our heart blood race, it increases blood pressure, and sugar, it spikes up your sugar levels in the blood. So when that happens, stress eating comes. Stress eating is another factor that happens when you stress. You start craving sugary foods and healthy foods, and it can lead you to eat more than you usually do. High levels of cortisol also can wear down the brain's ability to function properly. Constant stress also affects your thoughts and behavior. On the long run, it could cause depression, which depression speeds up your aging process. Research by Chase Purdy titled Getting Older mentions that there is evidence that depression impacts the brain and physically ages faster when you are feeling depressed. So always check yourself with the doctor, and if you are feeling overly stressed and you can find a way to cope with it, always check yourself. So how that happens is that the brain accelerates the shortening length of each DNA strand. That is how aging occurs. In addition, I will discuss tips that will help alleviate with stress. One of the 3 important factors that help me are healthy diet, exercising, and sleeping enough. A healthy diet that includes complex carbohydrates, whole grains, leafy greens, omega-3s, all of that will help your blood flow to the brain, and you will be thinking clearly, will be focused, and will be overall healthier. Exercising is very important because if you exercise, your body releases endorphins, you will feel excellent, you will be motivated, and it is important to exercise at least 10 minutes, go for a walk or be in nature. It doesn't necessarily have to be an hour or a gym or something specific. Do something that you enjoy doing. Sleeping enough is also very important because if you don't sleep enough, you won't give your body the time for it to repair itself. So it is important to sleep around 7 to 9 hours. Studies have examined a method of disrupting sleep and reviewed its consequences. Dr. Dinges from the article The Extraordinary Importance of Sleep states that sleep is critical for waking cognition, thinking clearly, and consolidating memories. I hope that this speech allowed you to learn something new, and I hope that these tips that I just gave you will be useful. I shared with you the effects of stress in your body and how getting a good night's sleep, exercising regularly, and eating healthy will help you feel better. Today, I spoke with you about this important topic, And I hope that next time you come across a stressful situation, you can control the way that you feel and you won't let stress control you. Thank you.